I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and activate your Simplii Financial credit card. Let's get into it. So for that, first of all, access your online.simplii.com and right over here if you see regarding at the Simplii account. This has given some information. So when you simply access the Simplii, you can earn up to $450. Tap What is Apply Now and scroll down. Check out information regarding at the accounts, eligibility regarding at the account, and check out all the information accordingly. Let's get started now right over here. Tap Choose this option of no fee, checking account and without overdraft protection, and tap on this cashback Visa and tap on Next. Right over here, it will let you know the rates and fees, and you will be able to check out information regarding credit card. Go ahead, check it out accordingly. Make ticket time and read it as well. Now scroll down and tap on this I agree and tap on Next. Afterwards, you can see qualification will be required. As you are a resident of Canada, you can simply fill out information accordingly and tap on this Next. Once you have done so, here in the section, simply select this option of home or vacation, whichever it is that for next afterwards. And here you have to simply complete the process for you to create your account for the credit card. And if you already are a user, you simply have to go back to the Simplii Financial's homepage. Right over here, tap on the sign on. Enter your credentials and sign in. Right after that, you will be able to access this option of offers and product on top. Go ahead, tap on credit card option, and then you will be able to find a description regarding at the credit card that you can choose. Tap and apply now. Simply go ahead. Provide every information. Your address, job info, etc. Once you have added all the correctly, you will be able to submit and you will be able to apply for it. Once you're done, probably will get notified regarding your credit card. And you're good to go. That is how you can do it.